In this week's vlog, we're going to be going over the difference between custom WordPress themes and then pre-built WordPress themes. Now, even though pre-built WordPress themes are relatively inexpensive, you can get them for around $40 to $65, they are not always the best route to go for your website. Since these themes are built for, say, tens to thousands of people, that developers trying to cram in as much software and functionality to be able to cater to all these users. And when you have all those pieces and software trying to intertwine with each other, you're getting a lot of extra code and features on your website that you may not necessarily even use. And this is bad for search engines because A, it creates a lot of extra requests, which slows down your web page, and Google doesn't like having to read through all that extra code, so you could see a huge tank in the rankings if you're going with a pre-built WordPress theme as opposed to one that's custom built for your business. So you have all this software that has to synchronize and is dependent upon one another, but when WordPress comes out with a new update, you're at the will of the developer being able to update his theme and update all that software. As opposed to when you have a custom WordPress theme, it uses a minimal amount of software and a minimal amount of code, so updates will be a lot easier. And a lot of times you don't have to worry about them. If you want to add features to a pre-built theme, it's a lot more difficult because, again, you have to make sure those features, say if you're adding a gallery or if you're adding, I don't know, more testimonials to the sidebar, you want to make sure that none of those others, that software in place still synchronizes and is able to connect with everything else. Because if it doesn't, those features won't work and your site could break. Custom built themes, again, since they use minimal software, minimal plugins, they're a lot easier to update. And when you're building themes, you should always design around the content of your business. You may see a theme forest theme, see a lot of like flashy features and cool bells and whistles, but you don't always want to, say, build the content because you think it looks cool for your website. You want something that's built for your business, so that way the content is still extremely relevant to your visitors and they're going to your website to do what you want them to do. So you don't want to create a bunch of extra testimonials or basically content that's not as high quality because it's based off of a theme or a pre-built design as opposed to something that works well and is built for your business. So that's my thought on custom WordPress themes versus pre-built themes. We have two developers here at GetPhound that are building custom built WordPress themes for a number of years. So if that's what you're interested in, please reach out and give us a call. Thanks.